Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset the values on your Delonghi Eletta machine. Might be useful if you're in an Airbnb and somebody's been messing around with the settings beforehand and they might have done it to their taste, not your taste. It's really easy to set it back to the default values of the machine. It's not going to change the language or anything like that, purely the values of the amount of milk, coffee, etc. strength. So make sure your machine is turned on, which it is now. You're going to be greeted with a screen similar to this. You're going to hit menu here, and then you're going to move left or right, makes no difference, until you go through until it says default values. Press OK, and then it wants you to confirm. Press OK again to confirm. And that is it. The values have now been changed. It's as simple as that. So now make yourself your cappuccino or whatever you want to make and see if it tastes any better. That will have put the values back to how Delonghi recommend things should be, and hopefully you will like that too. Thanks for watching.